In this lesson, tinoda kudiscussa the product of indices. Chatofanira kutanga kuziva ndechekuti chinombonzi product chii. This is the answer we get after multiplication. So if we multiply two terms, two numbers, two variables, the answer we get is called the product. Saka you can treat what we are going to learn as a law of indices. But here we are just observing the behavior of indices when we multiply them. Let us take on this case. Ngatiti tina AB in brackets r to the power n. So how are we going to solve that? Chekutanga chatofanirwa kuziva kukosha kwakaita mabrackets aya. Ende kuti tiunderstand kukosha kwakaita those brackets, let us imagine kuti hapo, and we rather have A, B to the n like this. Saka pane musiyano iri pakati pezvatanyora in yellow nezvatanyora in blue. Pane musiyano mukuru. Zvatanyora in yellow zviri kureva kuti both A na B zviri under the power n. Asi zvatanyora in that blue color zviri kureva kuti only B is under the power n. So let me write this down because of its importance. Kuva mukati memabrackets zviri kureva kuti both A and B are under the power n. But panapa, because hapana mabrackets, pari kungoreva kuti only B is under the power n. That is very important. Now, to observe what happens when indices are under multiplication, let us take on this case. We have a bracket AB raised to the n. This is equal to, what do we do there? Since taprova kuti n uyo ipower iri kuaffecta both A na B, the answer we get here should be A to the power n multiplying B to the power n. Saka this is what you can treat as a law of indices. The power n inopinda mukati mebracket yobva yamultiply both A na B, and that is happening when AB is a product. We should know from our prior knowledge kuti AB zvinoreva kuti A times B. So we are working from an understanding kuti we already have that as assumed knowledge. So zvandataura izvi might be Greek, but it is better understood tikazvitora under the auspices of an example. So let us employ an example from our course reader, New General Mathematics. This is our question. Simplify part A, x squared, everything cubed. Let us solve A. Saka A akanzi tine bracket rina x squared kunze kuno kubva kwava na power 3. Tinoisolva sei? Let me break this down into two methods. I'm only going to do this for A, then apply that law of indices to B and C. Saka panapa, let me take on a method number 1. Method number 1, toda kuita the traditional way, the manual way. Saka since we have x squared cubed, we know this is equal to x squared times x squared times x squared. So zviri mukati mebracket x squared zviri kuita repeat multiplication 3 times. So x squared cubed, it's equal to x squared times x squared times x squared. Titenderei panapa kuti apply a law of indices yatakadzidza iya yaiti if we have a raised to b times a raised to c, this is equal to a raised to b plus c. We want to make our work easier, our life easier. Saka, what have we there? Zoreva kuti this will be x to the power 2 plus 2 plus 2. And from there we get what? X to the 6. That is the answer we are getting. Let us apply what we just learned pamusoro apo. Tione kuti zvichatibuditsira here that answer. Saka our method number 2, we have the bracket of x squared cubed. This will be equal to. Saka mapowers aya multiplier. Kureva kuti this is simply equal to x to the power 2 times 3 is 6. We get our answer as simple as that. Saka you have to pick your poison, but I'm choosing for you. Go with method number 2. That makes your life easier to live. Let us go straight to B. B yakanzi y to the power 4 squared. This will be equal to y. My power said they multiply 4 times 2, that is 8. That will be our answer. And per C yakati z cubed to the power 5. Our powers will multiply, so it's z 3 times 5, 15. We are done. So in a statement applying that law of indices, we go straight to our answer rather than doing it this way. Let us take on another example. Maybe it should increase in level of complexity. That is our question. Simplify the following. A yakanzi, we have a bracket of minus 3 d to the power 3 squared. So how do we deal with that one? How do we deal with that one? Maitiro atinoita ndeyekuti we have to understand. Chekutanga, the law we are basing on is this. A, b to the power n is equal to a to the power n, b to the power n. Effect rapa ndeyekuti n as a power ichanomultiplier a, then yozonomultiplier b. Mapaona. Saka ndo zvatofanirwa kuapply apo. Asi maaplyiro atinoita, we have to recognize kuti chiri cubed mukati mebracket ndi d chete. Tikauya kunoku tikanyora kuti 2x squared. This term is made up of a number and a variable. Number iri papa ndi 2 and the variable is x squared. Saka chiri squared pana 2x squared ndi x squared kwete 2. Chiri squared mukati mebracket minus 3d to the power 3 ndi d chete kwete minus 3. So kana n yedu yakupinda mukati umu, mapindiro ainoita manje inenge yakudai. That is equal to minus 3 squared, then d to the power 3 squared. 2 yapinda ikanodhilana minus 3, which is the number. 2 yazopinda futi ikanodhila na d to the power 3, which is the variable. Saka apo kana takunyora answer yedu minus 3 squared, we should know already kuti if we have an even power, ine effect yekuita negate ma negatives to positives. Saka kana tine an even power, we always get a positive answer. Minus 3 squared ndi minus 3 times minus 3 inotipa 9. Then kana tapa na d panapa, ma powers edu multiply 3 times 2 ndi 6. That will be our final answer. You can take this if you wish to see that what we have done is correct. Tina minus 3d cubed squared. Izvo zvinoreva kuti minus 3d cubed times minus 3d cubed. That is equal to, tikaseparata manumbers pawo ega, minus 3 times minus 3, then that is times maletters pawo ega, d to the power 3 times d to the power 3. To apply our law of indices, especially in this bracket, panapa it's just 9. 9 times what? D to the power 3 times d to the power 3, inenge yava d to the power 3 plus 3. So we have 9 times d to the power 6, which is 9d6. So kuti uite escape amwe ma extra steps apo, you just apply the law of indices. Uye mutemo wakanakira kuti kode yanga yauya yakati to the power 8 panapa. You can imagine kuti zvenge zvakutonetsa kuti tiite zicomputation rakakura kudaro. Saka that law of indices is actually our escape route. But iyi ndaiitira kuti muone uye muve neconfidence kuti we are doing the right thing panapa. Because zvinhu zvikava too simple, our human brains usually assume kuti something must be wrong. They are simple because they are simple. Let us look at B. B iri kuti minus 3, then d the power 3 squared. So apo we also have to understand what is happening there. Chiri squared panapa, it's only that which is inside the bracket. Saka our answer would be minus 3 is multiplying, then our powers multiply here. 3 times 2 is 6, so d to the power 6 minus 3 times d to the power 6 becomes minus 3d to the power 6. That is our answer. Let us go to C. C yakati bracket minus 4g to the power 5 cubed. To the power 3 iri kuaffecta everything inside the brackets, but inozviaffecta separately. 3 ichatanga yaaffecta number minus 4 to the 3 yozonoaffecta this variable g to the 5 cubed. So this is equal to, what is minus 4 to the power 3? Saka minus 4 to the power 3, tiri kuti minus 4 times minus 4. Let me put it down for reference. Minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 4 panapa ndi 16 times minus 4. Tinowanani pa 16 times 4. 6, 12, 18, 24. 4, 2 panapa. 4 times 1 is 4. 5, 6 to make it 64. Saka since it's cubed, 16 times minus 4 will be minus 64. So panapa we have minus 64. Then g uyo, powers multiply 5 times 3, 5, 10, 15. Voila. Zvatopera. Let us now go to our last, which is D. D yakati chi? A cubed b to the power 4. Chiri cubed ndi a chete, b hamo munyaya idzodzo. 4 paanopinda achaffecta zvinhu achanoaffecta a cubed separately. So it's a cubed 4 apo. Unoaffecta futi b separately, b to the power 4. Saka pana a manje, ma powers edu achamultiplier 3 times 4, 4, 8, 12. So it's a to the power 12 and b to the power 4. Like that. Tikadai so, tinenge tatopedza. The examples we have quoted, they are sufficient enough to explain in depth kuti tinodhila sei the product of indices. What is left of us panapa, we should have an exercise of practice questions. Exercise yenyu, torai exercise 8c. Munoiwana mu NGM 3 and it's chapter 8. toda kuti muite number 1, number 5, number 13, number 18 and number 24. So this is going to be your exercise. Thank you for your time and your patience, and have a nice day.